What's up, guys? I'm down here in San Francisco on my latest project. I got Oscar with OVO Auto Design.
What's up,
and
people?
We finished this blue chrome GTR in 4 days, 2 weekends. Tune in and see how it's done.
Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
This weekend, it's gonna be something very special. What we're doing right now is we're headed down to San Francisco. It's a little bit to South San Francisco, and I just got called to wrap a GTR that has a Rocket Bunny kit on it. I'll link the description of the person that owns it below, but she has about 300,000 followers on Instagram. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel, but this is gonna be exciting. I'm gonna try to wrap this whole GTR in chrome in 48 hours. Well, less than 48 hours, because today is Saturday at 6 p.m. and it's gonna take us 2 hours to get there, and we have to try to be done by Sunday evening sometime. Early. I got Michelle with me. Can you point yourself to the camera there?
Hi guys.
All right, so yeah, Michelle's gonna help me wrap this GTR. Good thing is that the whole car has already been taken apart, and that is mostly what is the part that takes the longest, is to dismantle a car. So the wide body fenders have already been taken off. The door, the mirrors on the door are taken off, and the bumpers are loosened and all that stuff. So it's gonna be a real quick wrap job, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. I brought all of my gear with me. It's all right there in my tripod. And here is the car that we're wrapping. This is Asian Barbie. I will link her Instagram and stuff right here in the description. But this GTR is super sweet. It's got the wide body kit, of course. None of the wide body stuff is here right now. It's all taken apart. Man, look at those wheels. Deep dish. What size are these? What size are these? 335s 30 by 20. God damn. How wide are these wheels? These must be like 12. But okay. See, it's all taken apart there. Oh, there's, I think that might be her stuff, one of her accounts. But man, look how high up on these fenders this was cut. Shit, this is super committed right here. To cut the fenders like that? Oof. Anyway, all right guys, we're gonna get started. Luckily, I don't have to cut or wrap the hood or the roof, but that's the color right there. with the Avery, it only comes in a 4 feet tall piece. So the problem with that is that from there down here is 4.5 feet, or 4 feet 3 inches. The stuff doesn't stretch. So what you gotta do is do this line on the body line here, and then you're gonna knifeless along that edge, and you won't ever see it because you do the bottom first, the top second, and everyone looks down when you look at a car, so you won't ever see that. Okay, going on day 2 here. This is about 8 a.m. We got the whole back part done out. Gotta cut this gas tank out, but here is what the inside looks like. So I'm wrapping because it's red under, I'm wrapping all the way to this part so that you can, when you close the door, you won't see the blue. We're not doing the door jams, of course, on this one. But look at the rest of this. That's a very nice finish. Avery, this is an Avery chrome, and Avery is very nice. It was hard to go into this part right here, but it bended very nicely. When you heat it up, it went right in. I'll just have to post heat that mixture that sticks. But here is the front of the fender. Oh, and look at that engine. Those carbon fiber covers, those are probably like a couple grand. I don't know. I'm assuming all carbon fiber parts for the GTR is expensive. Looks like there's custom turbos here. These made by MAP or something with the piping. So I'm guessing all this is upgraded. Over here, Michelle is prepping the other side. Look at these wheels, man. So that's how far out these over fenders go. What's that? Probably like 5 inches or something. I get a tape measure and measure that. Measure how far out they go. Wow, 4 inches exactly. Poke to match the over fenders. This thing is looking super crazy, but that color is gonna be so mean on this car. We're gonna put a little bit of a Paradox Auto Styling style on probably the hood, so we'll see. Check out this blue chrome. This is Avery blue chrome. The trunk is vivid carbon fiber. That's her Instagram there. But man, so this is what the over fender would look like once it's wrapped. I need to do some trimming and stuff like that, but basically that's how it's gonna be. And over here on this side, oh man, so neat. This is so awesome. All right, guys, almost done. So let's go walk over here and have a look, see what's going on. I'm in a pretty nice shop. This is a totally different location. Don't ask me why. But you know, there's my car right there, and there's some shop stuff. So let's have a look at the whole GTR.